Hello guys, good evening. Welcome to our YouTube channel, The Apex Logs. So today we are starting our new series, which is completely related to the Apex triggers scenario-based questions. Here in this whole series, we will cover scenario-based questions while writing the code on the screen based on the scenarios. We will understand the scenario, we will define the scope of the scenario, and based on that we will write the code. Okay, so this will be a short video with the one scenario. Daily we will take one scenario to write the trigger. We will understand complete code, we will understand complete scenario, and after that we will write that particular code. So this whole series will be helpful to all the students who's which are trying or means doing interview preparation or also learning Salesforce triggers. Okay. So guys, I hope this will be helpful for you. So let's start with our first scenario, that is prevent account deletion while support tickets are still open. Means if any particular account has any open case, then we must have to restrict that account deletion. Okay. So if you see the problem statement, you will understand that we have to write the trigger on account because we have to restrict the deletion of account. So that's why we have to write the trigger on account. Okay, so next one is what should be the context variable we have to use. So context variable we use here, that is deletion. Into our scenario here we have to restrict the deletion if it has open cases. So before delete we have to perform that operation. Okay, so let's start with writing the code. So first of all, we will gather all account IDs. So to store all account IDs, we will create one set variable which will contains all account IDs. Set top ID. Okay. So now we will put account IDs into that set variable, set collection we have created. Account is C is trigger dot old. So why we use here trigger dot old? Okay, so for delete operation we have to use trigger dot old. We can't use trigger dot new. Okay, so for deletion we always have to use trigger dot old. Okay, so add that IDs into our variable, into our collection, that is AC dot ID. Okay, so all IDs are now get stored into this variable. So see which accounts are get stored into that collection. The accounts which has open cases as well as which has closed cases. So both account IDs are available into this collection. So right now we have to store the separate account IDs which has only open cases. So to store that account, I am going to create a new variable, set collection with open case. Okay. New set of ID. Okay. So this variable is created. So within that variable, I will be store only account IDs which has open cases. So now to get that account IDs, we need to fetch the case or open cases. Okay, so case CS. Here we write the query, that is select ID account ID from case case where account id in this account IDs, because we have to fetch all cases from that account which has only open cases, that is close equals to false. Okay, if you see, we write a query on case object, we fetch the ID of the case, we fetch the account ID from that cases where these cases are closed or not. Okay, false. This close means false, means we fetch all open cases. Right now into this variable we are going to add the account IDs from that case. Okay, so now this variable has only account IDs which has open cases. If you see, now this filter is done here, filtering is done here. This contains all accounts which has open cases as well as closed cases. But now this set of collection has only account IDs which has closed cases or open, sorry, not closed cases, that is open cases. Use close false, means open cases. So now we are going to check our real scenario, that if account ACC is going to delete or we trying to delete, we check trigger.old. For deletion we always have to use trigger.old. Now here we are checking while deleting that operation, means while performing the delete operation on account, we will check that particular account is available into this account ID, into this set of ID. If it is available into that collection variable contains acc.id. Okay, so here if this account ID is available into this account with open cases IDs, so means that particular account has open cases. So here show error, to show the error in trigger we always use add error method, account has open cases. Okay, so now if you see, we collect all IDs, after that we fetch the cases, open cases, and we segregate, we filter that account IDs from that open cases, and we store that account IDs into one set of collection with open cases account IDs, and after that we put our condition before the deletion of the record. We check that particular account is available into that set of ID where cases, open cases are available. If it contains that particular ID, that time we are showing the error account has open cases with our method add error. Okay, so likewise this code is done. So let's check how it will work. If you see, here we have one account, that is Ajinkya Traders. Now this has one case, this open case. Right now I am trying to delete that particular account. See what will happen. See here, I am going to delete. See, that account has open cases. Okay, so likewise this our trigger will restrict or prevent account deletion if it has open case. Now I am going to remove that case, or let me make that case escalated. Let's check what happened with the status. Okay, go to the accounts, delete open case. Okay, so now I'm going to that case details. I'm just removing this account from this. Okay, going to account. Now Ajinkya traders performing delete operation can't delete this record. I think one another operation on another trigger will be there or any other dependency is there. But if you see this, we are not get that error related to the cases. Okay. So likewise, we can write the trigger, we can understand the scenarios, or we can perform our operation based on the scenarios what interviewer gives us. Okay. So I hope this video will be helpful to all of you guys. And if you have any doubt, you can add your comments. I will I will definitely try to answer your questions into that comment box. And please follow and subscribe. I will definitely come with the best interview scenarios to write the trigger. Okay, that's for the day. Thanks all of you.